Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and I want to show you the Vantech H1 ladder rack installed on our RAM ProMaster City. If you're looking for the best crossbar ladder rack in the market, then you want to look at the H1 from Vantech. This system is versatile, it's high quality, it's going to get you in a perfect condition, and you're going to have the most options for styling. You can get it in aluminum, you can get it in steel, you can get a 2-bar system, a 3-bar system, you can get it in black, and you can get it in white. The installation of this rack is super simple because of the pre-threaded mounting points on the RAM ProMaster City. It's just literally taking off some plastic caps and threading the bolts into those locations. Now, the ladder rack kit comes with everything that you need for a successful installation, including all the hardware, the accessories like a ladder stopper, a ladder guide, and a hook and loop strap, and an illustrated installation instruction guide. Now, just some notes specific to the RAM ProMaster City. If you want to put a 6-foot or shorter step ladder on the top of the roof, you're gonna wanna make sure that you get the 3-bar kit. The front and rear locations on the RAM ProMaster City will not accommodate a 6-foot or shorter ladder, so you're gonna make sure that you get that 3-bar kit if you wanna mount a step ladder. Now, if you go with a 2-bar rack, the distance between the front bar and the rear bar is gonna be about 5 foot 11 inches, so it's really gonna be too long to fit a 6-foot step ladder there. We tried to do it on this install, it's just not gonna work. Now, if you get the 3-bar kit, the distance between the front and the middle bar is about 2 foot 10, and the distance between the middle and the rear is about 2 foot 11. So that's really what's gonna allow you to accommodate those step ladders, or maybe you have one of those adjustable ladders that you can shrink real short or make real long. Now, in terms of weight capacity, the H1 can hold 250 pounds per crossbar. So if you get a 2-bar kit, that could hold 500 pounds, or you get a 3-bar kit, it could hold 750 pounds if it's evenly distributed. But the thing you need to take into account is the roof weight capacity on the RAM ProMaster City. You cannot exceed that with the ladder rack. Sure, the ladder rack can hold 750 pounds, but does the payload capacity on the roof allow you to do that? So you just want to make sure that you check that out. Now, if you're looking for the H1 for the ProMaster City, or really any other van or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name's Ryan, and have a good one.